Hi everyone, Heidi here from Starts at 8, and I wanted to just take a minute or two here to give you a peek inside the new BookShark Elementary Science curriculum. One of the first things that I want to talk about is the fact that it's literature based, meaning that it uses books. Look at these wonderful books. Now this is the Science Level D. My grandson is soon to be 8 years old, and this says Science Level D, BookShark says, is for ages 8 to 11. And we are using this with him this year in our homeschool. And I love to sit down and we read some of the book because that's how each day pretty much starts with the plan for BookShark Science. We read some of the book, we do a little activity sheet each of like the first 3 days, and then we have a science experiment to do. And we'll talk a little bit more about these things. So BookShark Science, the new BookShark Science is super hands-on. So we read a little something each day. There's, like I said, there's activity sheets to do. And then on the fourth day of the week, and it's a 4-day week that they schedule by, there's a science experiment to do. And this one here was on life cycle. So we created these little bugs here, our butterfly and our dragonfly, and we were working on learning about their life cycles. As I said, it's truly open and go. They have, you can see in this photo, the Science D Week 1 schedule, and this is in the instructor's guide. And it's based on a 4-day week, and it shows you exactly what page to read in what book, what question numbers to do in your activity sheets. There's a couple of supplemental, like optional things you can do together throughout the week. And then on the fourth day is the science experiment that goes along with what you've been reading. And pretty much everything is included in the science kit that they send you, other than basic household items, that you could find around the house. Otherwise, everything is in the science kit. And so we are really enjoying the new BookShark curriculum. They also have a virtual platform as well that I will be talking about on the blog in a couple of weeks, because we are also giving that a go and seeing how that compares to just using the physical curriculum that you see here. So hop on over to the blog. I'll link it here in the comments, and take a look at my full review to learn more about the new BookShark Science curriculum.